Understanding the phrase, "You shine so bright." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that's often heard in conversations, movies, and songs, "You shine so bright." This expression is not only poetic but also rich in meaning, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English comprehension. Let's illuminate this phrase together and see why it's so special. First, let's break down the literal and figurative meanings of the phrase. Literally, to shine means to emit light or to be very bright. However, when we say someone shines so bright, we're rarely talking about actual light. Instead, this phrase is a perfect example of figurative speech, where shining refers to a person's qualities, such as their talent, personality, or positive impact on others. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts. Complimenting someone's talent. When someone has performed exceptionally well, you might say, "You shine so bright on stage," acknowledging their skill and presence. Praising someone's positivity. In moments when a person uplifts those around them with their attitude, you could comment, "You shine so bright, even on the darkest days," highlighting their ability to bring light to tough situations. Celebrating someone's success. After a friend achieves a significant milestone, saying, "You shine so bright in everything you do," serves as a heartwarming congratulations. Interestingly, the concept of shining bright has deep roots in various cultures, often associated with hope, guidance, and inspiration. This expression and its variations, like "shine like a star" or "brighten up the room," are used worldwide, showing how universally appealing the idea of bringing light and positivity into the world is. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the phrase, "You shine so bright." Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's about expressing emotions and connecting with others. This phrase is a beautiful reminder of the impact we can have on each other's lives. We hope this video has brightened your day and added a new expression to your English toolkit. Until next time, keep shining bright in your language learning journey.